Describing your favorite character. This is easy grammar from A Learning English. Welcome back, fellow bookworms, to this exciting episode of our literary journey. I'm Faith, your guide to the captivating world of literature, and I'm here with my good friend, John.
Hey there, Faith. I must say, I was completely blown away by the book you recommended to me, Mrs. Frisby and the Rats of 9M. Who would have thought a little mouse could possess such bravery?
I couldn't agree more, John. It's remarkable how the author, Robert C. O'Brien, masterfully brings Mrs. Frisby to life. One aspect that truly struck me was the vivid description of her physical appearance. O'Brien writes, "With her forepaws and sharp teeth, she pulled off a part of the husk from the top ear of corn." The introductory part of the sentence uses the possessive pronoun her to describe two important features of the mouse: her forepaws, a mouse's version of a hand, and her teeth. Note that the writer uses the adjective sharp as well. Close your eyes for a moment and let your imagination take over. Can you see it? Mrs. Frisby's delicate yet capable forepaws, resembling a mouse's version of hands, carefully extracting the husk with her sharp teeth. Through this beautifully crafted image, we can truly visualize Mrs. Frisby's appearance.
Absolutely, Faith. It's incredible how descriptive language can transport us into the heart of a story. And speaking of delving deeper, let's explore the importance of a character's thoughts. Understanding their motivations can truly enrich our reading experience. Let's focus on Mrs. Frisby's perspective on her avian companion, Jeremy.
Picture this. "Bird brain," thought Mrs. Frisby, and then recalled what her husband used to say. The size of the brain is no measure of its capacity. While the author uses quotation marks to show character's speech, notice how O'Brien cleverly presents Mrs. Frisby's thoughts without quotation marks. He uses verbs like thought and recalled to give us insight into her mind.
By revealing Mrs. Frisby's thoughts, O'Brien allows us to connect with her on a deeper level. We not only understand her immediate reaction to Jeremy, but also gain insight into the values and beliefs she holds dear. It's a testament to the power of characterization and the impact it has on our overall understanding of a story.
Absolutely, Dustin. It's these small yet significant details that make Mrs. Frisby and the Rats of 9M such a timeless masterpiece. Now, before we wrap up, we have a special guest joining us today.
Hey there, Faith and John. I just wanted to express my gratitude for introducing me to this captivating book and its unforgettable characters. It's been an incredible journey, and I can't wait to discover more hidden literary gems.
We're thrilled to have you on board, Dustin. Remember, folks, literature has the power to transport us to unimaginable worlds and introduce us to characters who stay with us long after we've closed the book. So grab your favorite read and let's embark on an adventure together.
That's right, Faith. Whether it's a courageous mouse like Mrs. Frisby or a bird-brained friend like Jeremy, there's always something fascinating waiting to be discovered between the pages. So, until next time, keep reading, keep exploring, and keep celebrating the wonders of literature.
Thank you so much for joining us on this literary journey today. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting book discussions and recommendations. And don't forget to share your thoughts and favorite books in the comments below. Until next time, keep the pages turning and let your imagination soar. This is Faith, John, and Dustin signing off from A Learning English.